Hi, Subrat Bhainipati here again. Last time I was talking about importance of drinking water, but yeah, I know many people they just go and they just say, "Well, I'm drinking water. I don't like the water taste of my city, or I just have to reach for a bottled water like this, something like that, and we just go for it." So now my question is, now is bottled water is good? That is, I'm going to ask, or what kind of water is good? So when we get water from natural sources, like even if your city water, they are very good. it has all kind of natural minerals and any kind of uh, what I would say fluoride, which is very very important. Bottled water, when it is sold in plastic, that is my main concern, or that's exactly what I'm going to talk to you. Actually, when you are drinking from a plastic bottle of water, it might feel cool, like you go to a gas station, get a bottle of water, or you get a case of bottled water and you store it at your home and you are drinking. Actually, few years back, it was really shocking for me. We used to have a contract with the warehouse, and we used to treat their employees. And the warehouse, actually, they store a lot of stuff, and among them is water. And they store cases and cases and cases of water, and that's how they take the cases and load up in the truck, and it go for distribution. And I was really shocked. Actually, I walked into the warehouse, it was so hot. It kind of stays like 110 degree all the time. It does not matter winter or summer. It has no air conditioning, nothing. So imagine the water bottle getting stored sometime months in that kind of condition with the heat. So you probably heard of that. There is one chemical called the BPA, and many plastic bottles they say BPA free. But BPA, no BPA, we really don't know when water gets stored in high temperature like that in a plastic, what are the chemicals it is seeping through. So that is the whole reason I will suggest, especially personally me, unless I am dead or dying, I usually do not drink from a plastic bottle. If I have no other choice as the last resort, I'm probably going to drink from a plastic bottle because I have no idea how long it's being stored, and sometimes the water stays there pretty much kind of cooked, and what kind of things have seeped in from the plastic. So your best bet will be, if you don't like the water from your city, you can get very very inexpensive filter, put it on your kitchen sink, or you can get a jug which has a filter built in. If you have a refrigerator and you get the water, most of the refrigerator they already have a inbuilt filter. So basically most of the time the water bottle you buy, these are filtered water, nothing else. Yes, you can buy a little bit more expensive bottled water. They're sold in glass bottle, and also those are packed at the source on a mineral spring. Yes, with that water will be okay because it is stored in glass bottle. But those water are expensive. If you can get those water bottle, drinking from there is okay. But otherwise, drinking from a plastic bottle, as far as my opinion, it is better to be avoided. Or if you are just traveling, going for fun, hiking, biking, doing anything, you can buy something which is non-reactive and non-plastic. Like a simple thing, like a glass bottle like this is very inexpensive. It has a bamboo cover, and there's nothing here in plastic. It's a glass bottle. Yes, I understand. It can be a little bit heavy, but it is good. It is you can get water and you fill it up and you can take it with you. Or there's a lot of options of other kind of metal like copper. Nowadays I have seen water bottle or water bottle made out of stainless steel. So something which is non-reactive and which is not plastic. But imagine not buying water, how much money you are going to save. And also all these water bottles, there's nothing there. They just put filter water. You can do it at home very, very inexpensively and cheaply. So we don't have to go all the way to get water, we just can put a filter, or we have different way of filtering it, or we can put a central filter in our house, and you get that water and you store it in a glass. So in my opinion, if we remove the plastic, we are not helping ourselves, we are helping the environment. So imagine these are non-biodegradable when we are using plastic. So how many plastic bottles are kind of, you probably have seen, landing up in ocean, landing up in the landfill. So by avoiding plastic, yes, it has an environmental impact, but it is a huge impact in our health. We have no idea how much chemicals are seeping in. Yes, we are talking about 1 BPA, but there are many things we don't know that can create a lot of health hazard. So whatever I told you so far, you drink water. Of course, that should be our main drink. Second thing, if we could drink water in room temperature, it would be wonderful. If you do not like room temperature, you can cool it off with a little bit ice or maybe a little bit refrigerated water, but it should be comfortable to drink. And we drink whenever we want, when you become thirsty. And last but not the least, we need to avoid plastic bottled water. We have many cheaper alternatives, many things are coming up. So by doing that, not only we are helping the environment, we are helping ourselves. And that's all for today. If you love this video, you can share or you can like, and you can share with your friends and family, because all this question, I get it all the time. And don't forget to comment. And also you can ask any question you want me to ask. And if the question is pertinent to many questions, because that's how we take a poll. So whatever most of the people they are asking, that's how I make the video for you. Thank you so much.